We begin with the COVID-19 situation in South Korea. The nation reported 4,875 new COVID-19 cases on Friday. The number of critically ill patients came down by 89, but the figure still remains above the 1,000 mark. To bring all figures down, authorities have decided to extend the current restrictions for another 2 weeks. Our Shin Ye-eun starts us off.
On December 18th, the country pressed pause on its gradual return to normal scheme. Instead, distancing restrictions have been toughened. Social gatherings were limited to 4 people, and a range of businesses were ordered to close at 9 p.m. Originally, these restrictions were set to be lifted this Sunday, on January 2nd. Now, these measures will be extended till January 16th, meaning they'll stay in effect for an extra 2 weeks.
We will use the extra 2 weeks to renew our medical capacity so that we can tackle the Omicron variant. We ask everyone to bear with us a little more so that we can return to normal life in the new year.
The prolonged measures have stirred complaints from many, including small and private business owners. Business owners have repeatedly expressed how social gathering caps and business hour restrictions have put their livelihoods at risk. That's why the government has been handing out relief funds worth around $840 to each business. On Friday, they said they will also provide COVID-19 damage compensation in advance to merchants hit hard by restrictions. Some 550,000 self-employed people will receive some $4,200 each. Actual calculations of the damage and compensation will be made later. Authorities also announced new measures to take place in the next 2 weeks. This includes extending vaccine passes to department stores and large supermarkets. Authorities have also decided to delay by 1 month the date that teens will have to show proof of vaccination or a negative PCR test result to access public facilities. The decision to push the date back from February to March comes as around 30% of teens aged 12 to 17 still haven't received their first COVID-19 shot. Meanwhile, South Korea on Friday saw its highest number of new Omicron cases. 269 new Omicron cases were discovered, bringing the total tally to 894. Shin Ye-eun, Arirang News.